Assalamu-Alaikum, my dear viewers. How are you today? How are you coping? Things are lifted. Everybody's going back out. Well, most of the conditions are being lifted. But my dear viewers, we need to still be vigilant. Remember, this is my, request to you. Make sure that you are taking care. You need to take care. Make sure. Wash your hands, cover your face, you're wearing a scarf, you want to make, there you go. Just put a little stick pin here. That's it. And take care of yourselves if we have to be careful. Anyway, welcome to my channel, Hijabs and You and me. For those that are new, I welcome you. And for those that have been here with me and have been, joining me along the way, I thank each and every one of you for your love and your support. Means so much to me. We are building this platform so beautifully, slowly but surely, and inshallah, the intention is to make this platform, give it how should I say, I'm making available information for you that you can use in your daily lives. I've got a bit of everything on my platform, a bit of cooking, a bit of gardening, a bit of, sightseeing, my hijab tutorials. This is where I excel. I love the hijab and I love experimenting with colors. And so thank each and every one of you for being there with me. Okay, so today is a very quick tutorial, very quick. It's a simple, elegant look. It's a scarf. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's just a very thin viscose scarf. It's good for the weather that we're having. It's really hot. It's 30-something degrees. So this is nice and light, and it's absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. Look at the folds. Look at the volume that's there, and it's very simple. So I'm not going to take much of your time. I'm going to get right into this tutorial and show you how I've gotten this really beautiful look. See that? It's absolutely gorgeous. So let me take you right into the tutorial and show you how I got this beautiful look. So let's show you how we got that look. It's beautiful scarf. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's beautiful for the weather that we're having. And it doesn't really matter. Right, the wrong and right side, they all look the same. So what we'll do is we will put shorter side and a longer side. And this is going to be a very, very quick tutorial today. And all we're going to do is, let's fold it in a bit to give it a little bit of a really neat look. And we're going to use a safety pin there. I'll grab my safety pin. Just making sure that my back is covered, because you make sure always that that's covered. What we're going to do, pull that over a little bit. We're going to give it a bit of a fold. See that? How beautiful that is. Another fold. Well, that's absolutely gorgeous. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a pin here with my fold. Just a little safety pin. I can find a nice blue one. And now this one here, what I'm going to do to give it a nice neat look, I'm going to bring this up right here. Let's see that. No, let's keep it that way. We can put a full pin here too as well until I wrap it around. Do you see? It's so easy, my dear viewers. This is so simple. It's nice for the weather, like I said. And then what we're going to do is just bring this over. See that? The longer side. And we're going to keep it with a bit of a fold, so it gives it a nice, neat look. And that's all we're going to do. Look at how beautiful that is. Oh, it's absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous, my dear viewers. Bring a few folds with it. How is that? Just wrapping it around. See that? And you're going to keep some fabric here to give it a nice full. And now, just going to give it one stick pin here, keeping our fold in place, keeping all that nice layer. And we can give it one stick pin. If I can find a nice blue, that'd be nice. And I got a nice blue there. It's really beautiful. My dear viewers, it's just making it simple for us, quick and easy. See that? How the fold, it's so pretty. What do you think? You think that's pretty? This you don't need to do much with at all, my viewers. You just bring it in the front, let it just sit there, and you got. Let's make sure that the back has got enough coverage. Really. Okay, and that's got enough there. And we've got this really nice flowing look in the front with that just sitting there. Just sitting here. We don't need any pins here. Look at that. How is that? Absolutely gorgeous. See that? How is that, my dear viewers? Quick, easy. You know, we're back to work. Things have to be really quick in the mornings, and this is simple and easy and just perfect. Well, I hope you like that. I hope I've made it easy for you. All you did was you put a pin here, kind of fold it over a little bit, give it a tuck to keep those folds in place, and wrap it. One stick pin here. Well, I hope you like that. And if you did, please hit the like button. Do share it with your friends and family, my viewers. Because if you share it and someone else sees it and they get, you know, oh, that's not so difficult. I can wear my scarf like that. Then you are going to get blessings for that. So share it with your friends and family. And if you haven't subscribed yet, you know the drill. Just hit the subscribe button, click on the bell icon, and take off. Well, until we meet again. I told you I'm going to make this one a really short one today. So just stay safe, take care of yourselves, take care of your family, and make the best of every moment. Let every moment count. Inshallah, inshallah, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.